Hi. Yeah, this is my voice. Yes, this is the voice that you see everyone, all the stop motions. And I'm playing Beast Swarm with Mason and Scar here.
Hi.
You probably know Scar. I shouted him out in one of his videos. And Mason, he's recording his first video right now.
Yeah. If you watch Chris's video, comment down below.
And if you can't hear them, that's too bad.
Yeah.
That's too bad. Hold on, maybe I can try getting the voice real high, cause I'm calling from a different device. But anyways, what we're doing, you can watch my side of the video or Mason's side in his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is called MasonGames, right? Yeah. Ooh, a sprout.
That is my first YouTube channel.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna start. So there's a sprout. So I'm gonna go.
Sure.
And also, don't think that I'm gonna do a face reveal anytime soon.
Guys, he just revealed his voice now. So yeah, guys, you better hit that subscribe button to Chris's channel so that he can do my channel and his channel just to do a face reveal. So yeah.
Oh boys, the sprout's done.
100 likes to do a face reveal.
Yeah, you're probably running Chris. Is this your main account? Yes. Quago's account is it's kind of newbie.
Yes.
So yeah. So this is gonna be the upload for Wednesday.
Mason, what's the question? Have you ever made old YouTube channels? Personally, I did. Now I delete them because friendship.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have comments. One of the comments was one of my stop motions. Like one of the comments is like cringe, 1 FPS. So that's why I do it kind of a little bit faster now because he called it cringe, and I don't want people calling my videos cringe. And another one said he liked it and he subbed. So that's nice.
Right now is where I'm calling it.
So if you're running,
and I don't want to show my name Roblox. I don't want 100,000 followers.
Okay, and if you're wondering which ones,
anyways, this pumpkin guy has a little face on it. Pretty
ooh,
cool.
sparkles! Sparkles! I need sparkles. And if you're wondering which one is Scar's the one that's with me, with the scythe and the nice big portal hive. And Mason,
this pumpkin has a very cool face, and it's just gone.
Yep.
Just to let you know, I'm gonna post maybe tomorrow.
Well, you should, Mason. It's good.
Just to let you know, I'll post it today, and then see how it goes.
And also, guys, if you have any tips for us, that would be greatly appreciated. Because we don't really know what we're doing.
And I might do some stop motions.
Stop? Oh, like me? Okay. You want to do some stop motions like me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna summon a special sprout. Oh, it's at the dandelion field. I mean, the sunflower field. What the heck?
It's rare. Alright, so get in I'm coming, you guys.
So, yeah, this might be, the title might be Bee Swarm Simulator Gameplay 1. Probably.
Yeah, Gameplay 1.
Yeah, Gameplay 1. I just realized I posted yesterday, so I'm gonna post like 3 videos in a row. That's not that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, guys, thank you for 10 watch hours. Because I need to get 4,000 watch hours to get monetized, so thank you for 10. I still have a lot to go, but it's something. I got double digits now, alright? That's something.
You guys don't know, I used to post videos like 2 years ago.
But then
now I don't really post anymore.
So guys, what are you guys trying to get?
Yeah, try and get.
What are you aiming at? Mason, if I were you, I would get the compressor.
Yeah.
And then Sky, what would you get? The basic boot, the beekeeper's boots that I have on.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I'm tired of these leather boots.
Okay, I'm making some honey. So if you guys have any like stuff I can do, and I also have a question. If anyone knows how to do this, how do I collect 1 hour of nectar? Can someone tell me how to do that, please, in the comments? Thank you.
Somebody tell us.
I have no idea how to do it.
So yeah, also guys, you can comment what game you want. Yeah, game that you want all like us to play.
Yeah, we can play any game you want. We don't care. Yeah, we can play any game you want.
And some videos, they might not be in it. And some videos, they might be in it.
As long if it's appropriate.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, it's nighttime. Okay, so when it's nighttime, there's a chance of like a vicious bee. So.
Yeah, they'll find them.
Oh, Marlo chick's up too.
Yeah, they might be a vicious bee.
So start finding.
Okay.
And Scott, what are you doing right now?
I'm just chilling.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to watch Mason's gameplay, which I'm definitely gonna watch. Yeah, go check out his YouTube channel, Mason Games, right?
Yeah, MasonGames.
Yeah. And if you want to check my side, and Mason's viewers, whoever's watching Mason's try, if you want to see my side, come watch my side. Like,
So
yeah.
mine or Chris's?
yeah.
Comment down below. Down below.
Oh, he meant comment down below if you guys are wondering.
Yes, so
Guys, what should I donate to the
comment
win
any
try?
game you want us to play. Like for example, just think of a game and then we'll play it. Very simple.
I'll donate 5 neon berries.
And I'm gonna get some more honey.
Okay, let's see what I get. I got pineapple boost, coconut boost, coconut fields. Okay,
Okay.
let's see if the windy bee's there.
Yeah.
Oh, honey storm!
Alright, get some honey, boys.
And also, if you're willing to friend me, my username is PiggyCheatDen, no spaces, and all lowercase. And then we can play, and we can literally play with fans, right?
Yeah, we can play fans.
Mason, you should buy another bee.
Yeah, you should.
Okay, well I'm gonna do the ant challenge.
I can't afford. Can't afford.
Can afford? Alright.
Alright, I'm doing the ant challenge right now. Alright. Let's hope I can get a supreme amulet, guys.
Right now for the ant challenge, I got the gold one so far.
For yours and challenge.
Right now I'm gonna watch Chris.
Ow.
Just chilling.
And how do you get over there?
And then, so, if you want to play this game, you can click the link. Yes.
Yes, and also comment down below for any suggestions. Literally, if I see a comment of a game we can play, we're doing it.
Yes.
I'm calling.
If it's a good game, we're not doing it.
Yeah, if it's like a skibbity dot. I swear, if it's like escape the Bobby obby or something. Well, I guess we'll do it.
Yeah, let's go. Trying to get some polish right now.
I'm just going, just watching Chris do this time. Now I'm just gonna leave.
If you can hear Chris,
Hello.
just
My name.
hear Chris.
Yeah, I'm Chris. I'm Lego Kid.
you count Hero, then too bad.
Yeah, I made a collab with Lego Kid.
This is first time collabing with Lego Kid. And then,
It's a really small collab because we don't have that much. We're not that big in the internet.
Yeah, I'm not big into it. Yo, so if you want to start a YouTube channel,
Just do it, dude. Like, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Just
see how it goes, and if people like it, just keep posting.
if you make more YouTube videos, you can kind of make money.
no, you have to monetize, and then you get money.
Yeah. I get the calls right now.
Oh, don't die. What are you doing?
Let's do it. I got 3,100. Put it in my phone.
Oh, there's a. Oh, I was trapped. Oh, it's fine. Okay, so. Yeah, I'm keeping the old. I got some royal jelly, so that's nice. I'm gonna do the So I'm gonna do a daily brown bear quest. Oh wait, I didn't kill these. Yeah, I'm gonna do a brown bear quest.
You can literally tell us anything. We can do a reaction video. We can do a vlog.
Yeah, vlog.
Oh my god, bro! The brown bear quest is so easy. Collect 9 million from the cactus. That's easy.
That'll be easy.
I can do that. Well, first I'm gonna kill the mono chick first. I'm gonna get that honey, right?
Just to let you know.
Yo, you want me to come?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello, Mr. Mono chick. Oh, we got Scar with us. Now we got.
Right now they're beating a chicken, whatever. Right now I'm just getting some polish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. What is your record of if you played Beast Form? What is your record of killing a mono chick?
I don't know. I never killed one. I mean, we killed one before. This is the first time.
Killed one before.
Well, Mason, you didn't kill him. Scar and me killed him.
Yeah,
I have a fire romance. I kind of. Yeah, I'm a red hive.
yeah, fire.
I'm a red hive. Yes, I'm a red hive. Scar is a mixed hive.
Just a normal human.
And Mason just has no idea what hive he has. Scar's gonna be red hive too because he has the scythe.
Because I just like it. It looks cool.
Come on. We have 2 minutes left. We got this.
Come on.
Yeah.
Maybe? Huh?
We're gonna try to get the polish. Try to get the polish.
Yeah.
Like more polish. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, by the way, next video will not be a gaming video. It will be a Lego stop motion vid. I'm just telling you guys that. So don't expect me to do lots of gaming vids. I mean, I will, but like.
I
Don't-
died.
I'll give you what my next video.
Oh, Scar, come on, come back up, hurry! It's gonna die.
Roblox. Let's tell you that.
We can.
I came back.
Oh, and get the honey. It took our fastest time was my fastest time was 1 minute. Damn. Yeah. Mono chick does pretty good loot.
Make a lot of honey. I'll tell you guys. If you want to play this game,
I'm gonna micro refrigerator for that.
go on your account.
Wait. I did that already.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's over now.
Like, hey.
Okay, I'm gonna go check my tunnel bear time.
Ooh, mushrooms. If you like mushrooms, comment down this video.
I still got one day left.
No, seriously, I don't like mushrooms.
Yo, yeah, by the way, guys, Sky's a really picky eater.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a really big.
Okay, well, I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna show you guys some royal jelly locations.
Yeah.
So here's the first one. Now, the first one, I'm pretty sure this one's the easiest one. Mason, I think you want to collect these two, right? Some royal jellies.
Yeah.
So this could be for Mason and for your fans. So if you're a beginner and you want royal jellies, here's some royal jelly tips. So first one is the mushroom field. So you have, there's like an obby right here. So if you just do the obby, bam, your first royal jelly is right there. Second royal, oh, and here's also another royal jelly tip. You can spend your tickets to get royal jellies. It costs 6 tickets. And the next one, if you go to like this honey thing, there's like a little down hole. You go down here.
Yeah, you go down there.
And you can get a ticket if you want. And then after, there's another obby, hardcore parkour. It's another obby, and then I'm trying not to die here. Oh, I died. Well, if you complete that obby, there is a royal jelly waiting for you.
There's a royal goddamn jelly waiting.
All right,
Yes.
Mason, did you get that royal jelly?
I don't think so, actually.
Oh, here's the next location. So if you see the ticket tent here, if you go up here, there is a royal jelly as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never got that one either.
Nice. And also if you have like a cannon, you can also go up here and get this royal jelly with the boy on it.
Oh yeah, next one. This one is where the star is. The royal jelly.
Okay, and here we go, the next one. So the next one is located where the brown bear is.
Literally the easiest one. You can like get there.
The brown bear, you just jump up here and get it. If you can't jump it all the way, that's because I have these boots that gives you jump power. So if you're running. And the next one will be the blue clubhouse HQ. If you just go upstairs here, there is a royal jelly waiting for you.
Just go up and then you get that royal jelly.
Yep. And also, here's another tip. If you go to Brown Bear, he gives you royal jellies every single day. So always check back.
Every single what quest you get.
Yeah. And also, here's a royal. And if you use like one of the cannons, probably like the blue cannon, and you can get this royal jelly here with the star gift.
Yeah, get that royal jelly.
And also, if you go in here, you can also collect your daily royal jelly for every gifted bee you have. Another one is on top of this dandelion. So, yep. So, I'm pretty sure that's all for the 1B zone. I mean, this is like just the 0B zone. So, now we're going to go check the 5B zone.
Yeah.
So, there's a few here. So, there's a hardcore parkour here. So, you just, do the out. If you do the obby, and you'll get that royal jelly up there. And also another way to get royal jelly is there's a royal jelly shop, like at the 15B zone, and you can get royal jelly from mobs. The next one is right here, and if you probably can't reach it, probably how can you get it? So if you like come back here, you can go there, and then you can go through that hole and to get that. See, Sky's already there.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that's all for this section. Now we're on to the 10B zone.
Yeah.
Ooh, a push room. Okay, hold up, boys. Hold up, guys. I'll show you the next royal jellies in a second. I just need to get these push rooms.
Ooh, another push room.
Sorry, guys. I'm just getting these push rooms because I really like push rooms.
Another push room.
Oh, there's one here. Oh, they're on the stump field. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, get this one. Oh my god. Why is there so many push? Sorry guys, I need to get these push rings real quick. You can just skip a few seconds and hopefully by the time.
You get a few seconds.
Okay, I think that's all. Alright, so anyways, the next location is if you come to this shop right here. You're like, what? This is a normal shop, right? But it's not. If you actually come behind this, I don't think you guys. If you come behind this, there's a little maze here, and you're just gonna go through the maze and then find the royal jelly. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, that's a sunflower seed. My bad. I think it's through here.
I think I found that. I don't know.
I think it's through here. Oh, yeah, it's through there.
Where?
So yeah, that's one of the royal jelly things.
Yeah, I found that. Yeah, Mason got that.
And another one is that there is one on the Dapper Bear shop. It's on the roof. You guys haven't got this. I know you haven't, Scar.
I haven't.
So if you come up here to this Dapper Bear shop.
Up there.
Because I have no idea how the hell do you get up there.
So if you come up here,
Go there.
and there's like a little jumping area here. And if you jump on this like rock here, you can jump up here, and you can get a royal jelly, a honeysuckle, I think that's called, and in a smooth dice. Yeah. The next location is in the pineapple. There is.
It's probably the easiest one.
Wait, no, that's a ticket. Oh my god. But that's a free ticket, I guess. Oh, I know where one is. So if you come up here, come on. If you get on top of the shop where the meteor shower is, you can there is like a little hole here, and if you go through the hole, there is a royal jelly. Yep, right there.
Yeah. Which is I haven't collected that one.
I'm giving them free royal jellies. Alright, so that's it for the 10B zone. So let's go check the 15B zone.
Right here.
Where are you checking now? 15?
Yep, so if you come up the 15B zone, there is some royal jelly locations. So I'll give you one here. So number 1, it's behind the pumpkin. They're playing behind the pumpkin. There is a royal jelly.
See, I haven't got that one.
And the next one is on top of that pine tree. If you see it over there.
Oh, I see. I got that one.
And to get it, you need to go through the cloud things.
Okay, wait. Then if you can go to the 15 aisle, I can show you. I can show you how to get the golden egg.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and also here's a good thing. If you get 10 speed boost, you can go through to the cave and get that golden egg, which is really. I remember first seeing that, I was like, what? That was insane.
Yeah.
And here, the next royal jelly location is, Sprout.
Where are you, Chris?
Next royal jelly location is, oh yeah, here's a royal jelly shop, of course. So you can always get that. And also, if you head to the red HQ, you can go up this ladder here and, get yourself a nice little royal jelly waiting for you.
There's no way if it's there. Because I haven't played it. Yeah, I see it right there.
And also another royal jelly location is right there. So just, yeah. Let me just kill these scorpions real quick. Whoa.
I bet one of them are right behind the flowers.
Okay, next up is the 25 B zone. B zone, B zone. So when you come up 25 B zone, there is pretty much only one. I just missed it. My bad. Hold up, guys.
What do you mean? The 20.
I'll go to the 5B aisle.
Let me just go back to the red cannon. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fire the red cannon and aim for the top of the shot. Bam, like that. And then there is a royal jelly here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Right there.
Yeah, I claimed that one already.
And also in the 30B aisle, this can help you. There is a diamond egg right there with that mysterious looking bear. So if you want to get that,
Where's the diamond egg?
In this dirty B aisle, which is I can't get through. Dang it.
How much? Yeah, how much?
I have 27 Bs.
Yeah, how much did bees you mean to get that for?
30. So yeah, that's it for all the royal jelly locations. And yeah, and I think that's it for today, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and next time we hop on, I will do ticket locations probably and more grinding for the Crimson Guard. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys in the next one.